will fly.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, Fuzzy. Today I am going to be showing you guys how to make your own Roblox shirt in your Roblox group. Well, first of all, of course you need a Roblox group. This is mine and these are the stuff I have. You will also need the apps of Safari. You will also need Safari, okay? So, we're gonna go to Safari. Well, we mostly need Safari for this. We only need Roblox to look. So, yeah, I'm gonna go straight to Safari, and I will be right back, guys. Okay, guys, here I am in Safari. So, in Safari, you're going to search up Roblox.com. And then it will come up with this. You're going to log into your account if it's not already logged in. If it's logged into another account, there's a little settings button in the right corner, and you press that and it's log out. So this is basically like a computer. We can't do anything in Avatar right now, okay? So we're going to go to groups. On the three lines, the stuff comes up. On the little three lines in the left corner, you're going to go to groups. And here, you have your group. I do. It's really weird. You can join if you want. Then, go to store, okay? And then, you're going to have to create or manage group items. So, a lot of people have actually tried to, make their shirts. Like this is like me, but I don't know if it's happened to you guys. I've tried to make a lot of shirts, but I've always failed. So this is how to make it an easier way. So next, you're going to search up. Next, you're going to search up. I'm going into another. Okay, so next you're going to search up Roblox shirt template. Okay? And go to images. And you're gonna wanna find something like this. Except it has to be valid. Like this is one that I made. It has to be valid. So you wanna so you're gonna choose you're gonna choose one. Let's say I chose I don't know if this is valid, but let's say I choose this. You're going to tap it and hold it down and press add to photos. Next, we're going to go back into Roblox in Safari and we're going to press create or manage group items. Now go into shirt, not t-shirt, shirt, okay? Now choose file and choose the one that you want. Okay, and then you go press upload and you're going to see if it's valid. See, that wasn't valid, so now we're going to try a few different ones. That wasn't valid either. It takes a few tries to get a valid one. And this one. Okay, I'm gonna go try and find a valid template and I'll be right back. Okay, there we go. Quick mic check, sorry guys. Okay, so there we go. We have finally got a valid template. Yeah. So now that you have a valid one, you're going to also upload these in Safari, guys, in Safari. So once you've got your template all valid, you're going to see these little like settings button and little arrow thing on the right side. If you press that, it says configure and or advertise. press configure. Now we are going to let it load real quick. I'm just going to delete all this, and I'm going to put it a nice actually no, let's put it a nice shirt for fun. Lol. Okay, now I'm gonna put it, this shirt is for boys or girls. Or girls. Okay. There we go. So save. You gotta press the little save button under open for comments. Next we're going to, you see general, we're going to go to sales. Item for sale. Put the price. I'm gonna put it as 5, but that's the minimum. Save. And now press go to details real quick and press try on. It'll take some time to load. Okay, there. Now that we know that it is an actual shirt, you're going to go to home and you're going to go back into Roblox. So yeah, Roblox. Okay, we're back in Roblox, and you're going to go in your group in Roblox and store, and you have one, and you have it. There you have it, and it's automatically in your inventory. So do not delete this out of your inventory if you do not want to pay for it. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I look forward to making others. And if you guys ever have any requests of videos, you can tell me in my discussion, or if you're my Roblox friend, you can tell me in Roblox. And also, guys, if you have subscribed to me and you want to like tell me that you have, tell me in the discussion, and also tell me your Roblox username. But if you want me to accept your friend request, you also have to go into my group and buy some merch, and buy some of my merch and some of my clothes, and tell me that you have in my group. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Stay fuzzy, and bye!